Hi, my name is Theresa and I'm excited to share the STEM demo with you today. You can access all of our virtual programming from our website, nolalibrary.org. Today's project will be how to make kid-friendly elephant toothpaste. Let's get started. Caution: as with all chemistry demonstrations, adult supervision is recommended. It is, of course, not toothpaste, so please do not try to brush your teeth with it. Elephant toothpaste? So, what's the science between elephant toothpaste? The yeast contains an enzyme called catalase that breaks down hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, into oxygen gas and water. The oxygen gas gets trapped by the soap and you get a large foamy solution that squirts out of the top of the bottle. Materials needed for this project. So we're going to prepare yeast solution by adding dry yeast, which you can purchase at your local supermarket, to warm water. We're going to mix it and wait a few minutes until it becomes frothy. So as you can see, I've already pre-prepped my bottle. You're going to pour 2 inches of hydrogen peroxide, 3%, into the bottle. Pour food coloring onto 4 sides of the plastic bottle. Place bottle on a baking sheet, or if you don't have a baking sheet, you can substitute it for a paper plate or newspaper, and then squeeze a good squirt of dish soap. So pour in yeast solution. After about 3 seconds, you should notice the foam piling up and out of the plastic bottle, resembling a settled volcano. And there you have it, guys. We have ourselves elephant toothpaste. So the main point of this experiment is to make hydrogen peroxide decompose or break down quickly. Lastly, I learned that hydrogen peroxide has a lot of oxygen, and once the catalyst or yeast is added, the peroxide breaks down and releases all of the oxygen. So overall, I thought this experiment was very interesting and super fun. I'm glad and hope that you all enjoyed it as well. Thanks so much for joining us for our STEM demo today.